Before a doctor's appointment, your little one can become overwhelmed, worried, or even scared. As a parent, I know how scary it can be for your child to visit the doctor. Hello, I'm Susan Crawford for Children's Mercy Hospitals and Clinics. You can help make your child's visit to the doctor easier just by following a few simple tips. Experts at Children's Mercy explain how to fight the fear.
The doctor might use one of these to check the
Alan Gordillo is playing doctor. His mother, Graciela, hopes this will prepare the 3-year-old for his visit to the pediatrician. Alan's been afraid of the doctor in the past.
After his sister will come home and tell him she just received some shots at the doctor's office.
Doctors say a lot of kids feel emotions like Alan.
Well, sometimes it's sheer panic. Sometimes it's an old friend and we know each other. But most of the time, children are pretty anxious.
Dr. Ken Wible is the Chief of Pediatrics at Children's Mercy.
Oh, the beer sounds good.
He says mixed emotions can be brought on by previous doctor's visits, or images children see on TV, or even stories from siblings.
So our job is to try to reassure them and let them know that we're here to help and not harm.
Dr. Wible recommends being open with your child and explain the purpose of the visit. He says this provides security and familiarity.
So it's important to let them know that for an examination they may be undressed, that the doctor's going to use instruments to look in their ears and in their throat, and that the doctor's going to touch them, and that it's okay.
Everything's fine.
Thanks to Alan's bear, he leaves this visit calm, with a clean bill of health, and even says he'll be back.
You're welcome.
If your child is going to the doctor because of an illness, a new medical condition, or to visit a specialist, even you may not know what to expect. So when you're calling to schedule the appointment, ask to speak to the doctor or a nurse and find out. Reassure your child you'll be right there beside her, and let her know it's important to find out what's wrong so you can fix it and she can go back to being herself. You can find more expert advice on our website at www.childrensmercy.org.